What's up, guys? It's your boy Butch from Imperial Auto. Today is another day in paradise. I'm just kidding. Another day of hard labor and hard work. More like 6 packs here. Actually, I got 4 packs right now because I've been so happy this weekend. Been eating, drinking, and having a great time with family and friends. So not bad. Plus, I got the boat, which makes me a little bit more lazier, I guess. No, not lazy, but yeah. Taking the boat in and out of water is a freaking workout. That's what I discovered. Having a boat it's a lot. Imagine gas, service, this, that, loading it up with food, drinks, this, that. It's just too much. But oh well, that's what happens when you own a boat. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of effort that you have to put in. I had a blast. I took my daughters out. Best time of my life. This weekend was amazing. I had a great time with my daughters. I had a good time with friends. Everybody had a blast. I had a blast. Not bad. But a couple scratches here and there, which is, oh well. Let me show you. So this used to be this color right here. This used to be gray. And I wrapped it satin black. So, you know, having it in water, there's nothing will hit it or nothing will damage it. But if there is anything in the water, like logs, ropes, or when you try to dock it, like, you know, park it, of course, every time you put the little bumpers, things kind of get touched and rubbed onto the wrap. So I got a boo-boo here, I got a boo-boo here, a boo-boo, boo-boo, and a boo-boo on the other side also as well. But nothing that's not fixable. Everything is fixable. So the plan is I'm gonna wash it, clean it, mark all the areas, and see how many areas. Either I patch them the same color, or maybe get gloss that's a satin, bring gloss patches as like camouflage, different shapes, and then patch. And every time I get a scratch, put a patch in this camouflage. So I don't have to rewrap it ever again. Just leave it wrapped, get a scratch, patch it with another decal. You know what I mean? Cool stuff. Lazy way.
Oh.
Yeah. When we first got it.
Whose fault?
It's the trailer. So this is a new trailer. It's a $16,000 trailer compared to a $4,000 trailer. Apparently this one, as soon as you load it, the boat just like slides right off. So the boat kind of slid all the way to the dock and hit, which is, it's no big deal. We own Imperial, we can fix it. Everything is fixable. We're at Imperial, we can fix it all. Everything is always fixable, except stupidity. I don't know about that. I have a frame machine. I can always put somebody's head and straighten it out. Well, let's continue working. Welcome to Imperial TV. Lamborghini. That's awesome. Lamborghini. Why do I keep getting packages and packages and packages? Probably trying to send me a message or something. Maybe they're just obsessed. I'm just kidding. Oh, SVJ. I already got my SVJ gift. Another SVJ gift. Towel.
More laundry.
More laundry. This is so cool. That is so cool. So they're telling me I need to wash my face. And then, oh, more cologne. Car fragrance, if you want to smell like car. Glass cleaner, so you can clean your eyes and your sunglasses. Upholstery cleaner, odor remover, so you can put on your clothes. Oh my god. Composite material cleaner, interesting. I like that. Composite material cleaner. They double order that. Oh, leather cleaner, clean your skin. Oh my god, this is awesome. What is this? Oh. Wow. This is so cool. I hope that fits though. Next. What you here for, sir? Inspection? This is so cool. You know, it's those little things, little gifts that comes to me that makes my day even more better. So I feel very special. Like the other day, I got a $2,000 tequila bottle, and then the other day I got Another gift, another gift. It's pretty cool, pretty awesome stuff. More gloves. This is a screen touch microfiber towel to clean the screen, the touch screen. That's so cool. That is so cool. Hold on, there's more to it. Oh, yeah.
Maybe a gun? Lamborghini gun? Oh, it's for the watch.
It's for the watch. Wow.
Cool.
That is so cool. Wow. What am I gonna let? I'm gonna see. I'm a Ferrari watches. I mean, I have obsession in Ferrari watches. So, imagine having a Lamborghini box with a Ferrari watch. It's funny though. Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Well, Lamborghini.
I like it.
Next gift will be a watch. Don't forget, please. I'll be waiting for it. Cool stuff. Calling me a hoarder because I got all these gifts and I don't throw away gifts. I just like keep them. So I don't know. Maybe I need to start selling them. Would you guys buy? Maybe I'll sell this one right here because I already have 3 of those already. That's a lot. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Thank you, Lamborghini, for a great gift. I'll be waiting for the watch now. Now I'm headed to the new location. I have a person that's going to be installing the new lifts waiting for me over there to show me where the lift's going to be and talk about the price. Thinking about getting 6 lifts. He said no, you need 8 lifts, which is lifts are very important. So I'm going to go there and see what I can do to fit 8 lifts inside that shop. I think it's too many, but if you can fit them in there, that'd be good. Building a shop is that easy? It's a lot of work, a lot of dedication, a lot of craziness too. So much to do.